Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Chelsea Phillips. I am one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2015 Honda CR-V EX. It has a clean Carfax report with one previous owner and comes equipped with power side mirrors, chrome window trim, deep tinted glass, and much more. If you're shopping for a top shelf compact SUV, the CR-V remains one of your best bets. This CR-V has 17-inch alloy wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, the CR-V is in great condition. It has programmable aero composite halogen daytime running headlamps with delay off, along with fog lights, speed sensitive wipers, and a really nice black grille with a chrome surround to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 4-cylinder 2.4-liter engine with a variable transmission. This CR-V has front-wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers receive 29 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that the CR-V has only 31,166 miles on it. At the back of the CR-V, you can see the antenna, lip spoiler, and the high-mount taillight, along with the rear wiper, large brake lights, and sleek badging. Looking to the cargo area, you see it's very spacious, and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features a cargo tray, a cargo cover, and cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that the CR-V has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the fold-down armrest with cup holders as well as the back seat storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is very well appointed with nice chrome and metallic accents. Drivers will be very comfortable in the power adjustable and heated cloth seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This CR-V is also equipped with a locking glove box, door bends, and a push-button start. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the power door locks with auto lock, and the power windows with driver express up and down. This CR-V has a very comfortable tilting and telescoping steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy, the tilting and sliding power moonroof. The center stack is home to your multimedia features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3, Pandora, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. This advanced system even has speed-sensitive volume. You also have large climate controls, and everything that you see is very easy to use. Take a look at the backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.